The worst thing wey go happen to any person na say you create Facebook account and you can't lose am to the hands of hackers dem. This kind thing dey pain for body well. But no worry, today I wan show you how you fit take protect your Facebook account from internet people dem wey dey steal people account. We dey call am two-factor authentication. Number 1, you go click your Facebook profile. After that, you go click settings and privacy. Then from there you click settings. Once e open, e go take you to where you will work on your settings. Now you go click security and login. If you don't click security and login, you wait for it to open. Immediately security and login don't open. If you come down, you go see two-factor authentication. Then you click am. It go take you to the settings for two-factor authentication. Now you dey see different means. Then you say authentication app, security key, text message. The one wey you go for na to use text message, which be SMS. If you click am, e go open. Then you go put your phone number. In case your phone number no dey Facebook before, you go put your phone number, or you add another number if na another number wey you wan use. If you don click add another number, then you type the new phone number wey you wan add to the Facebook, wey go serve as the two-factor authentication. Then after that, you click enter. Now im go say make you enter the code wey dem send to you for that your phone number as SMS. If you put the code and click enter, if the code work, because you go need to check your text message, if the code work, then you go see say the thing don dey activated. If you wan confirm, you go back, you go that two-factor authentication again. If you check, I go see say the thing don dey on. Once e tell you say e dey on, e mean say your two-factor authentication don set. So with that, anytime wey somebody wan gain access to your Facebook account, the person need to get code from you. Even if na you wan use another account to log into Facebook account, you need to get code from that phone number where you take set two-factor authentication. If not, you no go gain access. You see am say as I try to log in, e say make I approve from another device or enter your login code. That is, dem go send code to that number wey I take set for two-factor authentication. So until I put the code before e go work. So you see say with this now, your Facebook don dey secured. E no go dey easy for people to just get access to your Facebook account. Abeg, always share this page to other people dem wey need am. The people need am well. Also like, comment, e dey important. Thank you. In case you need somebody wey handle your social media page, make e go well, abeg contact me. I dey available anytime. Thank you.